Play with the welder. Woo!
Hi, I'm Clayton with RPS Media. Today, we're installing whip lights. It's a pretty cool deal. You're gonna wanna stick around. It gets pretty in-depth. Let me show you how we made the mounting brackets. Step one, you're gonna wanna find the most massive piece of angle iron you have in the barn. Step two, cut your angle iron with a chop saw. Step three, find your center point and drill the hole. Well, as you can see, that's how you make the mounting bracket hardware. Luckily, I've already got it welded up onto the bumper myself. So, the only thing left to do is find the power source, wire it up to it. Let's get to work. Yeah, I found it. Luckily, we found a quick disconnect right here. It's going to save us a lot of time on having to refabricate the bracket, which obviously took a lot. Look at there. Anyways, we've got the wires ran. I think I just hurt Russell, but got the wires ran. Honestly, couldn't tell you how that happened, but we've got a description below, so read it below. You can do it yourself. Don't forget to subscribe. I think that's everything I was supposed to say. Are you okay?
No, I'm good.
Oh, he's good. We're good.